Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to pin File Explorer to the Start menu in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to pin File Explorer the Start menu in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on Start, type here File Explorer. Right click to pin to Start. There it is. And if you want to disable or turn off, so very easy. Right click, unpin from Start. There it is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to pin File Explorer to the Start menu in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Let's start using File Explorer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.